Well guys, we found a new pullback and we got a mail call. Now that we found this blue S550, I am stoked because I needed this one for the collection. So this is the 2015 Kinsmark pullback of the Mustang S550. And the reason why I needed it was because the one I have that goes with this one is not the same brand. This is also not even the same color. It's a satin metallic. And this one is actually an RMZ City from Uni. Now I have the correct one to go with this striped one. So here we go. Man, that is awesome. So I have one more to swap out, which is this one, because this is also the RMZ diecast, and this is a Kinsmark. All I need is the red non-striped version of this one. So that one, the yellow one, and this one all match from the same brand. So you can see even through the S197s we have all of the striped and non-striped versions of the colors I have. So I just need to find the red one to go with this. Don't know where I'm going to put this. I think I have a spot. Actually, I have a spot way back here. And that's going to have to do. But super stoked I was able to find that one. I've been trying to find the blue one for some time. And Walmart hasn't really gotten their latest in. And Walgreens hasn't had their latest. So I was really excited to find that one. But what I'm most excited about in this episode is this box right here. So Gary had actually sent this, I think it was Monday, Tuesday, somewhere around there. So it's been sitting here for some time and I just haven't had the time to open it. But now we do, and I am excited for what is inside. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Before we get to this craziness, Gary has been sending stuff for our pretty much an endless trade. And I haven't found any more supers for him. I have the ones from our first initial start of this whole trade thing. But my man, oh my gosh, I'm going to pretty much owe him my actual Mustang for what he's been sending me for this continuous trade. So I do not know what is in here, but I'm sure it is pretty freaking cool. Here's his address info. We'll go ahead and set that over here. Alright, let's see. What do we have in here? Oh, dude. Oh, no way. Oh, man, look at this. A freaking GreenLight Chase. Oh, man. First one out the box. We have the 81 Mustang Cobra Fox body from GreenLight Series 27. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. I don't think I have this one. I know I have a couple Fox body chases from GreenLight. Yeah, here we go. So this actually makes number 2. Freaking A, man. Oh, that is sick. And then, of course, we have the 79 official pace car. There we go. Man, all right, we got the freaking heat right out of the box. Oh, man. This trade has gotten nuts. Check this one out, guys. Florida Highway Patrol. Ooh, that is nice. I do not have this one. That is sweet. We got the 91 Ford SSP. Definitely love the color scheme of this state trooper right here. You got like a off yellow, pale yellow, and black. So of course this is a GreenLight. You have the Acme Trading Co. of the Florida Highway Patrol. Dude, this is an awesome release right here. There we go, acmediecast.com. Freaking awesome, man. Oh, it just does not end. Oh, and ooh, here we go. Look at this. Oh, it's a freaking, oh, dude. Another chase. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Got the 1976 Ford T5. This is the second T5 in the collection first Chase T5, but the other one I have is not this one. It is a... crap, where is it at? There it is. We have the 79 Cobra T5. Now we have the 76 Ford T5 Chase of this one. Dude, that is so cool, man. That is actually a beautiful color setup. The tan interior on red. But another GreenLight Chase. This is number 60. Dude, that is sweet. I love the T5s. So, since the name Mustang had been copyrighted by a German manufacturer of a large general purpose tank in the early 1950s, due to this copyright, Ford had to sell their Mustang in Germany under a different name, the T5. Isn't that freaking cool? Man, they should do a nod to that for the modern Mustang. Maybe they still do. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. But we got another beautiful Mustang going into the collection, courtesy of Gary. Man, look at that, guys. 2 Chases, Florida Highway Patrol. I don't even know what this next one. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh, let's go ahead and take a break. Let's go see what DiecastManShop.com has, and then we'll get back to the box.
Have you headed over to DiecastManShop.com? Because I sure did, and I bought some goodies.
Hopefully you guys have checked out DiecastManShop.com if you want to add some other beautiful cars to your collection. But we are adding 3 beauties plus this one, and I just got a quick glimpse of it. And here we go. Look at this, man. Holy crap. That is awesome. We got a Pawn Stars GreenLight Chase again. Like, Gary, my dude, he is not kidding. I can't remember what he said in the email, but it was pretty much like, I'm gonna have to send him a shipping container full of stuff for the amount of craziness he has sent for this continuous trade. Oh my gosh, man. Like, Gary has sent so many GreenLight Chases into the collection. It is insane. I don't even know how you come across so many. But look at this, guys. We have the 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback with the matching 2015 F-150. Dude, that freaking barn find look is awesome. Man, that is not... I feel like I had this car in a loose... Oh, do I have this car just regular? I don't even know where I would find, or like where I even put that one. I would think I put it in the correct... Let's see. No, it wouldn't be in that one. Definitely wouldn't be in that one. There it is. There it is right there. That is the regular one. And now we have the Chase. Holy crap, I didn't even realize that came out of this. Dude, I knew it looked familiar, but oh man. Now we have the Chase version of this one. Oh, dude, this is... Okay, let's go ahead and move this. That is nuts, guys. Look at this. 3 Chases. I don't even know if this is considered one. Maybe. Alright, so after looking online real quick, this is a Chase. Holy crap, man. This is a Chase. That is, oh my gosh. I'll show you the regular one in the top corner. But yeah, this is a Chase. This is the first, I don't know, I've never seen a non-green, but I guess it's not actually a GreenLight. It's an Acme Trading Co. It is, of course, by GreenLight, but acmediecast.com. So we have another Chase. God, man. So here we go, guys. We got 4 Chase pieces. Not 1 or 2. We got 4. This is insane. So I don't know, Gary, what to do because I haven't found you any more supers. And I've been looking. I've been trying to get you some. But I mean, we got this awesome Chase piece right here. Now I know where that original one came from. So now we have the original, we got the Chase, we got this beautiful T5 GreenLight Chase, as well as a second GreenLight Chase Fox body, and the new Florida Highway Patrol Chase that is just, I don't know, it's a very unique color scheme, but absolutely love it. So there we go, guys. That is all we have. I thought finding the S550 was a cool part of the week, but then here comes Gary with a box of amazingness. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and let us know which one is your favorite. I'm sure all of these are probably your favorites, just like all of them are my favorites, and they are now going into the collection. This is nuts. As always, if you haven't, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.